What you just witnessed was the power of CGI. Maybe, but did you know there's a cryptid out there that is the size of a pterosaur? And no, I'm not talking about the Thunderbird. I'm talking about Big Bird, which we're learning about right now. So grab some popcorn, click in your seatbelts, and let's jump right in. No, we're not talking about this clown. Nobody ever liked Big Bird. We're talking about a massive bird that has been sighted in Texas. Johnny, roll the music. No! Not that one, the scary one. Alright, now we can start. It all started near the end of 1975. Two police deputies from Harlingen, Texas had an early morning encounter with a bird that had a wingspan 10 feet wide. But not to worry, because that was just a misidentification of a pelican. However, on New Year's Day, two girls, Tracy Lawson and Jackie Davis, lied to police, stating that they saw a 5-foot bird staring at them as they played in the yard. Or did they lie? Because their parents discovered some 3-toed tracks the next day. This, of course, appeared on local news the next day because why wouldn't it? And of course, that video went viral. And of course, this video should also go viral. But like all good cryptids, there isn't just one story. However, there is just one piece. Anyways, on January 7th, a Brownsville man named Alberto Gajardo, he heard a knock on his trailer home, and when he went out to confront the culprit, he said he came face to face with a bird. A bird, but not a bird. It's like something from another planet. Oh my god! Only a week later, a resident in Raymondville, Texas, Armando Grimaldo, experienced the worst encounter to date. Typical day, he was sitting outside smoking a cigarette, giving himself cancer. And out of the green, he heard the sound of the great flapping wings and shorted his pants and was attacked above by a beast. And the beast ripped his clothes and probably his skin real tough. Especially since he was transported to the Willis County Hospital in a state of shock. And since I forgot to tell you guys, I should also note, back in the first story where the two teenage girls were playing in the yard, they also found a 100-centimeter feather. Now that sounds like a big bird! Whoa.